Hi guys! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! Ako nga pala ay nag-busy nitong mga nakakaraang araw dahil dumating ang kapatid ng aking asawa. At syempre, bihira lang itong mangyari at gusto nilang makita ang buhay namin dito sa India. Samantala, ipasisilip ko sa inyo kung ano ang yoga. At dito po ako nag-aaral. Everyday at weekends, nandito po ako. Lahat po ng aking teacher ay mga senior na po. Ito nga pala ang aking teacher na si Sir Chandraya. Isa siya sa mga main teacher dito sa school na aking pinupuntahan. Nagtuturo siya ng basic yoga at power yoga. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ako po ay may issue sa likod. Ang laking tulong sa akin ng yoga, guys. Hindi lang po ito nag-improve po physically, mentally, at awareness. Marami pong benefits ang yoga sa ating katawan. Ito po ay nagre-release ng mga toxins sa ating katawan na hindi natin namamalayan. Para sa akin, ang yoga is my everyday life na. Maraming salamat nga pala kay Ale sa pagpunta sa isa sa aking mga klase at nag-enjoy po siya.
Benvenuti a Bangalore!
Natutuwa ako guys dahil itong magkapatid na ito ay magkasama na naman.
No, capisco, perché altrimenti se la gente pensa che siamo disperati, sì. Io dicevo soltanto le tante base, secondo me la differenza può essere veramente importante. Non so come qua. No, non è per fare.
At na-try din nila ang pagsakay ng rhiska or tuktok. So far, so sasamahan ko silang pumunta ng Ishkun Temple. First, kailangan naming nakapaa at maghuhugas kami ng kamay. There are 8 Ishkun Temple here in Bangalore. Today, we're going to Sri Radha Krishna Temple. This is one of the largest Ishkun temple in the world. It stands on Hare Krishna Hill, a 7-acre hillock in Rajinagar. This temple is truly immense, radiating an abundance of positive energy. To reach the main temple, you ascend a series of stairs passing through chanting stuff, a noble concept that was new to me. Visiting Ishkun Temple must need at least 1 to 2 hours. No camera allowed inside the Ishkun temples. It's my first time to come here and I'm glad I did. And next time I'm back, I'm bringing the whole family. Some people might not agree that the Ishkun temple was in the middle of the city. But for me, I think that's brilliant because it's in the center of the city. Everybody is busy. So when they want to calm the mind, they can come and visit Ishkun temples. The weather is nice, sunny, and windy. And yes, I'm official third wheel. After the temple visit, we come to Luciano's office. After that, we went to his favorite restaurant, which is Daily Sushi. Of course, the day is not over yet. We will come and visit Milano Ice Cream. Kilala na talaga si Luciano dito sa Milano Ice Cream dahil nga kaibigan namin yung may-ari.
There you go. This is it. This is the center all the way there. Which one you want? Left or right? Which one you like? Left? Okay. Yeah, and the different store, everything in here. Like belt, shoes. Look at those shoes. Indian shoes. Yeah. This one is good.
Yes, I bring them in the
Quality.
center of Mercado. So this is called Commercial Street, but we didn't go to the real Commercial
no.
Street where
This one is
the
not.
big store. We went to where you can bargain with the stuff that you want. Magugulat ka dito guys kasi nandito yung mga brand na nakikita mo sa mall tulad ng Zara, H&M, American Eagle, etc. etc. Everything
You want
is
the
here.
portada.
Dapat marunong ka rin tumawad. Ayan no guys, ang dami. In the Philippines, we like second hand or ukay-ukay. But here, you can find it brand new. It's actually from the factory. And they selling it, I know, because they removed the tag. Especially like American Eagle. You can see it that they cut the tag and then they sell it here in this place. But sometimes the tag is still there. You can see Zara and H&M. This is one of the reasons that I am no longer shopping in the mall. I go here and bargain and then voila, you get what you pay. I mean, the quality is the same what you get in the mall and it's cheaper. By the way guys, Bhilwara is the largest manufacturer of fabric here in India, also known as the textile city of India, Bhilwara. When it comes to clothing, there's a lot here in India.
To see, I've been waiting for this big. To see you eat the Indian crepes. Good? Is it good? Because that's my favorite. It's not spicy. It's just...
It's almost not.
Nina, eat please. Thank you. You're like a kid.
And then over the weekend, we went to Tamil Nadu. We stay at Airbnb in the house. We're closer to the fisherman. And here we go. I put the time lapse and you see around 6 o'clock in the morning, you will see them coming in from getting more. We got lucky that we found a place that's closer to the fisherman village. After that weekend's normal schedule in the morning, we went to dancing class. And then after that, either I buy fruits and vegetables and I got the chance to shop fresh flowers that I would like to put in our house or in the altars. These are things that we will miss in India for sure. So for now, I would just like to cherish it, whatever we have here in India. Alright guys, that's it for today. Please watch our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Ciao! Arrivederci!